Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to save Picsart in Gallery. If you are looking for a way to save your Picsart edit to your gallery, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open up your Picsart application and make sure that you save your edited images that you want to save. Complete your edit, and once you are satisfied with the result, simply go ahead and apply your changes and click on the little download button appearing at the top of the screen. Once you do that, you will then be able to see these several options. Select if you want to save your image as JPG, PNG or PDF. To save it on your device's camera roll, you can select Save as PNG or JPG and then click on Save at the bottom. After you are done, you can now go open up your device's camera roll, where you will be able to find the saved image. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.